excited? I see the excitement on your face. Yes, you couldn't take your eyes off of this. There you go. Are you ready? Here we go. It smells like dog food. I know you're going to love it. If you don't, you will. Oh, stir it up. Stir up those turkey juices.
Here. Don't do it. Put it in here.
Here we go. First bite. Ready? Oh, you liked it. I think that's the best reception to any sort of food I've stuck in your mouth. All right, ready? Let's take the next bite. Yeah, here we go. All right, let's try. You want to go for the third bite?
He's getting ready for Thanksgiving.
He is. Here we go. You are digging that. Okay, let's go on a little fruit. Let's mix it up a little bit. Ready? Here we go. Nothing like little turkey and apples. Here we go, Ben. Benjamin. Ben. No. Here. The food is here. Okay, ready? Okay, let's get some more turkey. Here we go. Ready? You want more? You want more? Here we go. No, hold on. Oh, there we go. How about some apples? Okay. Tear it up. Then move your fingers. There we go. What do you think? What do you think? You like it? Ben, do you like it? Okay, well, here it comes. Here's some more. Yay! Do you want more? Because I'm running low. We need some more. We need some more turkey. Here we go. Whoa, I just dumped the whole thing out. Well, we'll try and eat it all. Here we go. Here we go. Next bite. That's right. It's turkey. Yes. Oh, you want more? Okay, well, that's just a spoon. So if you want more turkey, I have to say thank you. It's coming. Are you ready? There you go. I know. You're holding it again. I have to take the spoon back to put more turkey on it. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let go. Are you ready? Yeah. Exactly. Okay, we're coming. We're coming. Here we go. It's right here. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Are you feeding yourself now? I'm so impressed. Can I have the spoon back? Thank you. Oh, all right. Well.